Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a comparisons table on a Google Docs application. So to do that, you just need to open your Google Docs application, and right after that go click this plus button on the bottom side here, and then you just need to go click new documents, and then you just need to type the title. Let's say I would like to type a comparisons table. And then you just need to go click create, and then you already have this blank document. So the first things we need to do is adding the table since we want to create it, comparison table. But before it, I will like to type the title first. Let's say here we want to compare between the bicycle versus motorcycle. And then let's just go click return and go click this plus button, and there will be like a table options there. Go click it. Since we want to compare these two items, so you just need two columns. So let's just decrease the amount of the columns, become 2, and then for the rows we can increase it up to like 5, and then you just need to go insert table. So here you just need to type the informations for the title. Let's say here that I want to type the bicycles and then the motorcycles. And then you just need to adding the comparison, which is like less pollution, and so on and so on. So you just need to like type everything on this rows here, and whenever you're done you just need to go click this checklist button and you're done. And how to resize this table, you just need to go click edit again, this pencils button, and then you just need to go click the table, and then you just need to take a look on this side. This is the button to like drag or resizing the table. So you just need to like drag it into the left side to make it smaller, as well as this. You can also click the first row and then do the same, and you will get the new size of the table that can fit into your document. So that is the way how to create a comparisons table on a Google Docs application by mobile phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.